Good evening, everyone.
Bardhara block of Dadari district gets Samagra Vikas Puraskar Deputy Commissioner honored by Chief Minister in Chandigarh Charkhi Dadari, the 1st of August. It is a proud moment for the people of the district and Bardhara region. Bardhara aspiring block has been awarded in the field of overall development. This award has been given for issuing Mridwa Health Card. In a program organized in Chandigarh on Friday, the Chief Minister of the state Mr. Nayab Singh Saini has given awards. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma and other concerned officials received the award on behalf of the district. In the program, the Deputy Commissioner also gave a presentation through a PPT regarding the work done in the district. The Deputy Commissioner has congratulated all the officers and employees engaged in the work, including every citizen of the area, for this achievement. He said that receiving this award is a matter of great pride for the area. It is known that the Niti Aayog of the Government of India launched Sampurnata Abhiyan under Samagra Vikas through 6 major indicators in the most backward districts and blocks of the country. Bardhara block has shown remarkable performance under this campaign, which started in July last year to develop as a model for developing India.
There is no locust attack in the fields of any area of the district. There is no locust attack in the fields of any area of the district. The farmers need not panic about this. On the complaint of the farmers of the district, the officials of the Agriculture Department gave this information after visiting the fields on Friday. Dr. Sajan Singh from the Agriculture Department along with Dr. Vikas visited the various villages of the district like Ghasola, Kapuri, Pahadi, Tikan, etc. and inspected crops like millet, etc. During this on surveying the millet fields, it was found there that there is no locust attack in the millet fields. Grasshopper has been found in the fields, which is also called Fadka in common language. It damages the crop from small stage to full growth. It's from the edge of the leaves, due to which in the case of heavy attack, only the middle craters of leaves and sometimes only the thin stem remains. The crop remains small and in the stage of stopping of the budwar, sometimes even 2 grains are not formed. The number of these insects is very high on the crop. For its prevention, 500 ml spray malathion and 250 liters of water 1 acre. While spraying, farmers should cover their mouth with gloves and their glasses on their eyes. Farmers are advised not to give fodder from the crop to animals for 7 or 10 days after spraying this medicine. Haryana Scheduled Caste Finance Development Corporation invites loan applications for self-employment of scheduled caste families. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the government has invited loan applications for self-employment of scheduled caste people from Haryana Scheduled Caste Finance and Development Corporation. Applications can be made from 4 August to 21 August. Loan of 1 lakh rupee will be provided through microfinance scheme and 2 lakh rupee through term loan scheme. Munish Sharma said that any person of the scheduled caste who is 18 and 45 years and apply, which the following documents can be filled with the applications form along with the Aadhaar card, caste certificate, family identity card, PAN card, bank copy, 2 passport size photographs and submitted to the concerned district corporation office, house number 1111 Delhi Road, New. You can apply online on the department's website www.hsfdc.gov.in. For more information, you can contact Charkhi Dadari office on telephone number 01250461371. So thank you very much for this watching PPT News. So then take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, jai hind, jai bharat, take care.